Hi families, you welcome back to my beautiful channel. This is girl Doxas once again. So today isn't a new video actually. This is an old video which has been on my channel for about 3 years or so. And then recently, about 3 weeks ago or a month ago, someone somewhere is claiming for a background music which has been on my phone, like it has been on all Samsung phones for like since Samsung was established, you know. But I don't know why YouTube gave him or her that opportunity to claim this. I did everything I can, but it was still not going anywhere. So I decided to delete the video. But I am re-uploading for the sake of new viewers and the old viewers who may still want to watch the video. I don't know how this is going to help because most of the information that I gave in the comment section has been deleted because some people did ask relevant questions which I answered them, but since those questions has been deleted, it's going to be a bit difficult. But I did give the one amazing thing is that I gave most of the information on the screen, like measurements and stuff are right on the screen, so you can still tap into it and then try to follow or try to do the same thing as I did if you're trying to make a base as well. So that is all. I'm not gonna talk again over this because I have done so like 2 years ago. I'm just re-uploading for the benefit of other viewers who may find this video, or for new viewers actually. So thank you all. God bless you. I love you. Stay tuned. Continue watching the video and please subscribe to my channel if
out.